In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see downloaded files in Telegram. Telegram keeps your downloads in app-specific folders, and the fastest way to find them is to start inside the app before diving into your device's file system. I'll walk you through the in-app download manager, then show you where to look on Android, iPhone, and desktop so you always know where your files end up. First, use Telegram's built-in download manager. Look for the small arrow icon near the top of the app, usually at the center or just to the right of the search bar. Tap it to open the download screen. Here, you'll see everything that's actively downloading, queued, or recently finished, along with a clear progress indicator. From this panel, you can delete items you no longer need or prioritize the ones you want to finish first. If your list looks out of date, swipe down to refresh. You can also sort what you see by date or by file type, which helps when you're hunting for a specific photo, video, or document. On Android, open Files by Google or any file manager app. Navigate to internal storage and look for a folder named Telegram. Depending on your device and Android version, you may also find files under Android, then data, then org.telegram.messenger followed by files, and finally the Telegram folders for audio, images, video, or documents. Your media might also appear in your gallery if you've enabled the option to save Telegram media there. If you don't see a file immediately, try refreshing your file manager or checking the alternative path. On iPhone, open the Files app, choose on my iPhone, and then tap Telegram. That's where Telegram stores files you've downloaded locally. If you use tags or favorites in the Files app, consider adding frequently accessed folders so they're quicker to reach next time. On a computer using Telegram Desktop, find the file in the chat, right-click it, and choose Show in Folder. By default, Telegram saves to your Downloads folder. If you prefer to pick a location each time or change the default path, go to Settings, then Advanced, and turn on Ask Where to Save Files. If something looks missing, it might be a cache issue. In Telegram, go to Settings, then Data and Storage, then Storage Usage, and clear the cache. This frees space and refreshes local files without deleting your cloud messages. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Telegram tips and tutorials.